Dapat kaming mga parents are hindi lang into addressing things that are urgent. We should also be able to address things that are important. Oras ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat ng may bibigay ko sa mga anak ko. Because ang oras ang nagbibigay ng magandang relationship with my children. For our children, love is spelled T-I-M-E, time. Now, pag binigyan mo ng oras ang mga anak mo, parang binigyan mo na rin ng love, attention. Binigay mo na ang sarili mo sa kanila. Parang ganun. Now, pag binigyan mo ang mga anak mo ng kailangan nilang love, attention, they will be very happy, they will be very inspired, and they will be very empowered. And everything follows. When our children become happy, they become more productive, and they become better people. Oras lang yun ang investment mo, ha? Pero napaka-importante ng oras sa mga anak mo. Again, as I was saying a while ago, dapat kaming mga parents are hindi lang into addressing things that are urgent. We should also be able to address things that are important. Ang urgent ay yung may mga deadline. Ang important, walang deadline but very important. Bonding or oras sa mga anak ko may not be very urgent, but certainly it is very important. And that requires time.